Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach y'all how I turn this crazy afro into the sleek mini twist. And this is the hairstyle that I've been rocking while I'm trapped inside during quarantine and can't leave the house. Check out that hang time. Okay, so let's get on with the video. The products that I'll be using is water, leave-in conditioner, which I just put in this travel size container. The bottle's here just for show and tell. I was traveling, so gotta finish that product. My homemade hair oil and shea butter, and I may or may not use my edge control depending on how I feel. First, I start off by sectioning off my hair, and please bear with me, your girl is not the best at parting hair. I'll be using mirrors, 2 different mirrors, trying to see in the back of my head and get the parts as straight as I possibly can. But I mainly just use a rat tail comb to try and get the parts straight and the mirrors to see. Now, what you'll see me be doing is using the lock method, and I know I'm working in big sections, but that was just to expedite the process because I didn't want to be sitting here for 3 hours twisting my hair. So I use the lock method on bigger sections. First start by spritzing my hair with water, and then going in with my leave-in conditioner, working that in from ends to root. Then I use my hair oil, and then I use my shea butter to lock in all that moisture and begin using the rat tail comb to section again the sections and separating them out with clips. Now, it's super important that you detangle your hair thoroughly. I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb my hair out in all directions, left, right, side, up, down, diagonal, all around. And then I split the hair into 2. Try not to borrow from the sections, and you just start twisting. Now, if you want your roots to be very sleek, then I would definitely add the edge control or some type of gel. You can also use rubber bands to secure around the roots of your hair so they can be sleek as well, but I didn't want to do that because I'm probably not going to leave this hairstyle in for weeks. Also, disclaimer, before when I washed my hair prior to doing this video, I did an aloe vera pre-poo treatment, and so I noticed that there are some little white pieces in my hair. I know, how embarrassing, but it was from the aloe vera. I just thought I'd let you know that. It's in the back. I can't see until I'm editing this video, so I apologize. I should also mention that I didn't want the twist to be too small, so I made the twist a little bit bigger. And keep in mind, even if you do make your sections small, the twists, they will, how do I describe this? They'll poof up a little bit. So that's kind of what's happening with my hair right now. when I get to the front, I repeat the same process, but you'll see me here fix my part because I feel like I don't look good with the middle part. I feel like I look like Roger from Sister Sister if I left my hair with a middle part, so I'm like, side part, fix that. And now, after an hour and 45 minutes of twisting, I am done. Finally have this protective style so I can look cute in my home with nowhere to go. And I did fix my edges a little bit, but I'm not the best at doing that, so I didn't show it on camera. But check out the twists, they're nice and bouncy, that hang time, looking good. And I can whip my twist back and forth. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other hair playlist where I put some natural hairstyles and natural hair care videos. Keep clicking back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!